Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save an item to the favorites in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the categories button at the bottom of the page. So first select a category that you're interested in. And as you can see, within books and comics there are further categories. So just click on the one that you are interested in. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the books that are currently available for auction. And if you fancy any of them, then you will be able to see a little heart button at every item in the left corner, upper left corner. So if you just click on the heart and it turns blue, it means that you will be able to find it in the favorites section, which you can also find at the bottom of the page. So if you click on that, you can see the object. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.